And that brings us to the finale. Lesson 6. Luck. Believe it or not, it will almost always come down to genetic compatibility. So let's step away from psychology and talk neurobiology. Two things play a part in ultimately determining long-term attraction, and both have veto power over pretty much everything. The first component is your nose. Your nose detects something called pheromones. These carry physical and genetic information and also activate a physiological or behavioral response if pheromones are compatible. But even if they are, a woman's nose functions a bit differently, because while they do take in pheromones, their noses are also attuned to MHC molecules, which are used to fight disease. Interestingly, in this particular situation, opposites attract. There's a study that had a group of women smell t-shirts that had been worn by different men. The study showed that women almost always prefer the odors of those whose MHC molecules differ from theirs, which makes sense because genetic variation, especially when it comes to immunities, is a huge survival advantage for an offspring. Unfortunately, boys, we don't have that MHC sense, which means to us, we might match up across the board, but if your MHC molecules don't differ from hers, it might be hard for her to be romantically attracted to you. The second and possibly most important component to attraction, the first kiss. First kiss is a huge complex exchange of tactile and chemical cues happening through the smell of your breath and the taste of your mouth. This moment is so critical that the majority of women have reported losing their attraction to someone after a bad first kiss. But if things do go well, the nervous system pumps out norepinephrine, activating the fight or flight system. The heart beats fast, the pupils dilate, and energy increases. In this case, fellas, you're in.